Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluwajoba. If this is your first time here, welcome. Please consider subscribing and join this amazing family. Leave your comments in the comment section and like this video if you end up enjoying it. So I'm going to be creating a really beautiful cut crease in this video. I'm also going to make it a very quick video. So I've gone ahead to prepare my skin, and I've also gone ahead to draw my brows off camera. I have a detailed tutorial on how I draw my brows on my channel. I'm going to leave it in the description box, and I'm going to leave it in the cards as well, so you can check it out after this video if you are interested in knowing how to draw your brows. So as you might have watched, I have gone ahead to prepare my lid for the eyeshadow, and I've used a purple shade of eyeshadow on my crease, and I blended it out with a light pink eyeshadow, to give it a really beautiful gradient. So I have also gone ahead to cut my crease, and in cutting my crease I used my P. Louise base in the shade 5, I think. So I've gone ahead to also apply my eyeshadow. I used a silvery white eyeshadow. I also blended in the purple eyeshadow at the end, and then used a blue toned eyeshadow at the middle to blend out all the colors together. I'm just going in with my P. Louise base. I'm using these bases to create a line at the top of my crease. So I first used the blue shade. I used it to create the first line, and then went in with the pink shade, which I am also using now to create this line on my crease. So having done that, I'm going in with my mascara, just bringing out my lashes. I've fixed my lashes as well. Now onto skin. I'm going with my foundation. I've used my primer, and I've also prepped my skin like I said earlier. So I'm just using my foundation, and I'm just blending that with my beauty blender all over my skin, and you can see that effortless blend, guys. This is what you want to achieve when you use your foundation. Yes, all right. Now moving on to concealer. I'm using my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. This is my favorite concealer at the moment, and I'm loving every bit of it. I'm just using the walnut shade, which is a lighter shade at the beginning of my face, and then using the darker one at the outer part of my face. This just makes the blending process a lot easier and a lot more seamless. And once I'm done with that, I go in with my beauty blender, and I just softly blend out the concealer on my face. I'm going with my Sacha Buttercup, and I'm just going to set the highlighted areas on my face. You guys already know the drill, so yeah. Now with contour, I'm using my CoverGirl Queen contour. I'm just applying that on my face to give my face a lot more structure and to define my face a lot more. Guys, I was jamming on this day. Alright, so now that we are done with contour, I'm going in with my blush, and I'm just applying a little bit on the apples of my cheeks. I'm just taking it out a bit so that everything blends out, the contour and the blush. And then going in with my highlight, I'm using a Makeup Revolution highlighter palette here. and I'm just applying it really softly on the high point of my face, my cheekbone, my forehead, just a little bit, and on the bridge of my nose. So once I'm done with that, I'm also going in with my brown pencil and using that to line my I'm going for a nude lippy this time, so I'm just going to apply that on my lips. I'm using this Milani lip stain at the center of my lips. I'm just blending everything together, and then going with my LA Girl clear gloss. I'm just applying that all over my lips. This is like my go-to lipstick. I really love it. It's simple and really nice, affordable product as well. So and with my MAC setting spray, I'm just going to spray that all over my face, and this is what we have, guys. I really love this look. It's simple and elegant. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and leave your comments in the comment section as well. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Jesus loves you. Bye.